Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing in the Twin Cities in Minnesota. Today it is a little chilly and we're talking about wardrobes. So one thing that happens in our wardrobes sometimes, maybe not everyone, but what I see is it tends to create some clutter. And one tip that I would suggest for you to put in your wardrobe, closet, wherever you have your clothing items is a donation bin. A nice bin, area, box, container, something where it's open and you can just put items in there that you no longer want. So here's an example for me. I'll try on an outfit and I'm like, yeah, this doesn't fit. I don't like it. I'm probably never going to wear this again. Instead of hanging it up and putting it back or throwing it into the laundry, that item's going to go straight into the donation bin. Same thing goes with my kids. They're putting on their pants and all of a sudden they're too short and and you're like, yep, those aren't going to work anymore. You have certainly grown. So you're going to pull those sweatpants out, put them in the donation bin. And it's amazing how things pile up. But the good news is that your donations are already in the bin. You don't need to sort through all of their clothes. It's just one piece at a time. And then when the bin gets full, go ahead and take it to your favorite charity. So get yourself a nice donation bin for your closet and your future self will thank you. All right, we'll see you next week.